Park.
I'll catch you.
Go, go, go. Ooh, nice. Woohoo. Yay. Hold her, hold. Taas na rin. Nilang gibagong color.
Yeah, this whole half of the park's new.
That nice? Yeah, they changed this one. Woohoo! Oh boy! Oi! Oh boy! Oh, good job, Ezekiel. He's from there. Blah. Hala. Sige. Kamas-kamas mga dong. I did it. Woohoo! Time na po sila dira. Si Daddy nagbantay. Woohoo! Go slide. Hi. Hi, that's you. Where is Matthias? Woohoo! Oh. You're funny. Oh, you like that stairs? Oh, you like that stairs? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, dagan na po siya. Asara ni dagan. Separate me. Me with Ezekiel, Daddy is with Matthias. La, sumsunod ani. Woohoo! Very nice, diba? Okay. You got this? Nice daw ka nasa lake. Muna mong paborito nga park na lake, mga ducks. Good job! Uy! Nice! Uy! Uy! Careful ha! Uy! Wow! Good job! Whoop! Yay! Uy! Dali na po siya sa racking. Sunod-sunod na taani oh. Beautiful day. Dari mi sa park. Napod siya daga na po siya dari napita. Balik. What? You did it? Yeah, mas Matthias din ako. Huh? You're good at that? Oh, eh. Very happy kasi ay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You got this? This Kuya Matthias. Oh. Diyan siya nag-climb. Pataas. Pataas ilahang ko. Nice ang ilahang slide. Dra. The other side. Yes, I'm coming up. Hi! Hey!
My elbow!
Hi! Banat mga doy! It's the head of the slide! Whoop! Ah! Whoop! Hi, where are you? Oh, where's Kuya? Where's Tias? Hello? Hello? Hello?
To support NPR music contest.
There's a lot to do fishing.
Hey, if someone from the future went back and was like, the number 34 is really important, they would be like, well, that's
no, we're here.
I'm sure no man under 34 should be president.
Very, very pretty day. So dyan ka magkuha ng license, guys. I know. Oh, there's more geese here. You could go canoeing. There's a lot of people who do canoeing. Dami nila guys. Oh. Nag-anak ko sila katong sobrang pancake. Dito sila, nag-start na sila, mag-fishing daw sila. Pancake. Sila dito. Fishing na sila. Fishing na sila. Sarap na sila sa ilang nylon. Duck. Agis din sila mga agis. There's cute one. There's a cute one. Super duper cute. Super duper cute. Sada. Kada na tutong kayo. Musda na nga itong pagkain. Very nice ang weather today. Mahangin. Uy, nag-away na. Nag-away tungod sa pancake. Cute ano? Cute kayo. Hi. Ay, wala na. Ducks guys, oh. Buhok ni Mananggers. Nadra ang mga ducks. Hindi ako kuan bagbag. Yan sila daddy dari, oh. Yan sila. You got fish? Not yet? You found a snake? Ah. That's your bait.
Hold on, wait. Step away, Matthias.
Step away, Matthias.
What is on the end of these fishing hooks? A hook.
A hook that could hurt you.
This is a bad place to try to fish.
Good job. I din doon, oh. That area. Meron doon. Yep, for now, Daddy's just teaching how to go fishing. Because Matthias and Ezekiel always like, oh, we go fishing. Seeing those, I don't know where they... It's kind of nice. Go fishing with their daddy. It's okay if we don't get any fish. At least you gotta try. Whoa! Nice ang ilang area there guys. So pwede ka din ha. Na sila yung mga lingkuranan. Tapos dito ang geese area. Yan, nindot ang lugar. Go reel it. Correct, ah. Whoa. What you're doing, Ezekiel? There's tiny fishes around in this area. Oh. Tiny fish.
Oh, there's more gallons of fish.
Kuha na, surrender na. Way kuha. Bukol. Bukol ang atong bangka. No fish. Not a good area to go fishing. I know, fishing spot I mean ba? It's so cute mangunang gisoy while you guys go fishing. This area is not the very good spot to go fishing. Do you get fish?
No.
Or bukol? No? No fish, but it's good to try, huh? That nice to try fishing? Yeah? Ezekiel?
I want to go back in the playground.
Ay, playground naman na yung tuyo. So one thing is nice here, guys, is mag-fishing mo, tapos mapulaan ng mga bata mag-fishing, na ay playground, so it's very nice, yan, oh. Not a very nice, but that's why maybe there's not a lot of do the fishing here. There's over there, but there's a kids fishing area too. But ang mother na ingon man dito lang ta sa daghagis kay para magpakaon pud sa mga gis, magtatanaw ning mga lilis ba ni? Lilis ba na kanang namulak dra o daghan. Puti buwak. So that's why in this area, oh, not a lot to do fishing. Ang mother man sa dito ta sa daghag mga kuan, mga pato. Pato sa mga gisa Bisaya. Kaya ang dak pato man. Hey, gisik ka. Matias, ganahan of fishing. It's okay daw, mag-fishing lang siya. Even there's no fish. Wala siya eh. Nananagat niya siya puhon sa jambore. Bukol ta karon, bukol. Way kuha. Way kuha itong mga mananagat. Another playground. Oh, doon na. Look at the lilies, guys. Oh.
And go play. Take him to go play.
Matias. Wala sila. Wala sila diha. Narang among snacks. Kanu Ezekiel balik dari. Alkansi sa starting sa snacks. Walay kuha bukol. Snacks. Grabe og snack. Isa ka bag. Walay kuha. Bukol. No fish. Ezekiel, no fish. Ezekiel, no fish. Put it there. Don't put it everywhere. No fish?
Yeah, I feel tired.
Ala ne. Oh, pilde ang atong mananagat. Bukol. Bukol ang atong mananagat.
Uy! 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 Pagkuhan dyan na siya ba sa kamera? No? Now sa sad no fish be now. Sad fish and no fish. Not sad. No sad. Kara dyan siya ba? Nindot ang tree. Oh, muna kong ganahan na tree din. Lingkod-lingkod. Wanna go back in the park and play?
What's wrong with it except it was out of line.
A lot of birds.
I took it home and restrung it and it's just sitting in my bottle.
Alright. Now we've got one for him too. He just was less interested.
But mine should be over there. Daddy.
Not very tasty. Not very close.
Daddy. Daddy.
Hungry na ang fisherman? Hungry na ka? Wala, sleepy. 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 Waiting na sa among food. Si Matias, oh. Here na siya, cool. Cool kid daw na siya daw. Big kid na. Because he's in the back.
Those are children. They together a lot. Had nothing else to do. They together had nothing.
Waiting mi sa among food. Here mi sa Jack in the back. Para sa among lunch. Diyan na.
Yep.
Grabe sa tong overload chicken parmesan with a deep nachos, french fries. What a good
What you can
daddy.
eat for now.
Yep. is setting up the kid while we go driving back home.
And then french fries.
Yeah, we have man a snack, but it's not enough. Mag-snack lang, mag-eat good. Yummy chicken, Ezekiel. Say mo thank you ni Daddy. Yep, hot chicken. Thank you, Dad. Kain tayo, guys. Uli nami. Choro. Bye-bye. I found it. Come on. Oh my God. It's moving. Come on. Look. I found it in the bush. Come on.
The baby chicken there.
It's moving.
The baby chicken there.
You want to touch it? Hello?
The baby chicken there.
I think so. Hello? Oh my goodness.
Maybe the baby chicken.
There's a baby here. Come here, Matthias. Look at.
Touch it.
You touch it.
and
Touch
then
it
you move.
first.
The baby
This
chicken.
one.
Wait.
Oh, man.
Chicken will hatch.
Okay.
Chick will hatch.
Go look.
Maybe the baby
You think it's
chicken
hatched?
there. It's
Hello?
part of
Why? What's that?
part of
Hello? Go get
and
Look at the
maybe
face.
a baby chicken.
Hello? Hey! Go get it, Matthias.
And not
You should see him on their face.
Their
It's
baby
not
chicken.
real.
Oh.
around the
First, but Ezekiel is shocked. It's like, oi, what's happened? You said there's no real? I'm sorry. It's just mommy's hands go like this. Paano na? Ay, it made no Ezekiel sad. Not make you sad?
I want the baby chicken.
Nah, patay. Mommy is in trouble. No more pranks anymore for Ezekiel. Makes him sad. Do like this mo si mama. Uy.
I just want the egg.
Is that funny, Matthias?
I just want the egg.
Ay, nako.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.